Okay, this play is 4. We've ran this every year since I've been coaching. Marcy deserves the credit for this one. This is a great play. We normally get a lot of really good looks on this. The way that this will start, 1 will slap the ball, 2 will come straight out to the corner, and 3 will come around to this opposite side. 5 will come and set a screen on 4's girl, and 4 will kind of set this up and then come underneath. And this is open quite often where 4, and if 4 sells the screen, it'll be open a ton. 5's girl is normally slower. They normally try to switch this, and 4 will beat her and get open. 5, after she sets the screen, will come straight down the lane and will maybe be open for a lob pass and a layup here. So really we're looking to hit 5 here or 4 in here. Now, there will be times that I call 43, and that, what that will mean is if all this develops and it's not open, or we'll intentionally look for this, 1 can pass it out to the corner or out to number 3. And then what happens is 1 will come here, and let's say that 1 pass it out to the corner to number 2. 2 will pass it to 3, and then 2 will come and set a screen here, and 5 will also set a screen here. So 1 will come, sell it, and then come around to the corner for a corner 3. So we call it 43 because it's the 4 set. We run through it just like everything else, but we're looking for this corner 3.